If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's begin the comparison with the installation charges. Starting with the 799 plan, you have to pay an installation charge of 1000 rupees if you opt for a monthly plan. Same goes for 999 plan as well, you will be charged 1000 rupees. Coming to the quarterly plan, the free installation is applicable for 799 and same goes for 999 plan. If you opt for a half yearly plan, again it's free installation for both of them, and same goes for a yearly plan as well. You again get free installation. Moving to the plan charges, the monthly charge of 799 is 799 plus 18% of GST, whereas the 999 is 999 plus 18% GST. Coming to the quarterly plan, again it is the same as the monthly plan for 799 and same goes for 999. Coming to the half yearly plan, we see a discount in 799 plan and it is 739 plus 18% of GST. Coming to 999, it is 924 plus 18% of GST. Coming to the yearly plan, it is 679 plus 18% GST for 799, and coming to 999, it is 849 plus 18% of GST. Coming to the speed and data, the 799 plan supports a speed of up to 100 Mbps, whereas the 999 plan supports a speed of up to 200 Mbps. Unlimited data is provided till 3333 GB for 799 plan. The same is case for the 999 plan as well. Post the 3333 GB, the speed is reduced to 1 Mbps for 799 plan, and same is the case for the 999 plan as well. 799 plan supports unlimited local and STD calls, whereas same is the case for 999 plan. However, you need to have your own device. Coming to the Airtel Thanks benefit, the 799 plan comes with the Airtel Xstream app, which is basically the live TV, and it supports more than 400 plus channel. Same is the case for the 999 plan. However, this you cannot watch it on your TV. Now again coming to 799 plan, it comes with Shaw Academy membership, which is basically providing you free online courses, and the same is the case for the 999 plan. Moving on, again for 799 plan, it supports Wink Music, and again it's same for the 999 plan. Now again coming to 799, it is giving you a FASTag at a discount of 100 rupees. It's basically a cashback if you buy a FASTag from Airtel Thanks app. Same is the case for the 999 plan. Moving further, the Disney Hotstar VIP subscription is not available in the 799 plan, whereas it is available for 1 year in the 999 plan. Coming to the Prime Video, this is not available in the 799 plan, whereas it is available for 1 year in the 999 plan. Coming to Netflix, this is not available in 799 plan, and again this is not available for 999 plan as well. Finally, moving to ZEE5 subscription, it is not available in the 799 plan, whereas it is again not available for the 999 plan. Thank you for watching this video.